the purl stitch, you'll want to start with your yarn on the front side of your work, and then take your right needle and slip it into the next stitch on your left needle, but you'll want your needle to be on the front. So you're going from right to left and the needle ends up on the front side. Then take the yarn in your hand, wrap it counterclockwise around that right needle, slide your right needle down, keep that new stitch on your right needle, and then slide the stitch on your left needle off the end of the needle. So right needle, right to left into the front of the next stitch on your left needle, then yarn counterclockwise around the right needle down, and then stitch off of your left needle. And that's how you do the purl stitch.